guys, Sydney here, and I'm here with a Lego, my first Lego ever video, and I'm sorry I sound like this, I'm sick, I'm tired, and I'm going to do a review on the apple tree house and what I've done. I just finished building it today. I started this morning, finished today because I bought it yesterday. And it's my first creator set ever. This is my first review set. So, yeah. I would have started with the halls, but let's start with this part. So let's start, just don't even look at this part, just look at the driveway. It's really nice, and I'm gonna take the figs off, show you what I did. So I built the hoop, basketball hoop, and I made the driveway out of tiles. And the garage door doesn't open. Sucks. It's just there. It's really an outdoor minifigure thing. And there are these two boys, or two teens, and they're playing basketball. And this is what the basketball is. And I didn't build the basketball. It came like that. But it's smart because the basketball's small. I mean, the hoop is small. Alright, so let's move on to over here to this part. And so let's remove the figure for a second. I have a cool little pathway made of my two tiles, and you can see it goes zigzag straight. And then there's a little mailbox. Alright, and the minifigure. He's a like cool guy, he's buff. He's got a six-pack. He's got like a six-pack. It's really cool. I got it from the Series 7 Ocean King for minifigs. Alright, let's move to over here. So, let's move the minifigure. Or, let's just look at the minifig for a second. It's just a huge patch of grass. That's a little boy. It looks like a girl, but it's a little boy. Because it's a Series 7 Grandma Visitor face. And he's holding a lawnmower. Because he's doing his chores. Mowing them on. I got this from a video I saw with this house, and I thought it was really awesome. So yeah, let's go to this side and see what we have on the side. Alright. Sorry. Okay, so next up I have a little bench, a windowsill, or I don't know, a little hose. I have a bush, and I guess, yeah, some apples that fell. A bucket of apples and a little apple tree, which I'm going to actually review right now. There's just that right here. It's really nice. I built it. So it's really, and instead of using this one brick, it was really lame. Like you had to put the little brown thing. I just decided to do this. I don't know if you know what I'm saying. Alright, and there's nothing in the house, but you can customize it with your own furniture. Alright, so the back is just a wall, roof. There's a skylight. And the side, a pipe goes down in the water. And then a little window. And then back to the front again. And so, this is the mailbox. There's mail. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. these base, cool little stairs, and like a little room in there. And then there's this. So yeah, and it doesn't really fit because it's a little hole because messed up on it. Alright, well, I did it, and I did my review. So that's it for today. Alright, so bye. I'll be doing my next review later. That will be my review 2. I'll do hauls, collections, mocks, rules, tips, all those things. So yeah, that's it for today.